everyone, it's drop-in craft time. We're going to do something special today, and we're going to do it outdoors. If you're walking through town, you might see different rocks throughout the town that say different things. This one says be kind, that one says smile. We're going to make those rocks today out of very simple things. You're going to take a walk around your front yard or your backyard or somewhere else, and you're going to find a rock. And we're going to take that rock, and all we need for this project is we need paints, a paintbrush, a cup of water to wash your paintbrush with, and markers. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your rock and paint it any color that you choose. These happen to be the colors that I have in my house today. And you could put the paint on the plate, and then you're going to start painting. The best kind of paint to use for this is probably acrylic paint, not washable paint, because if you're going to leave it outside, you don't want the paint to come off. You're going to paint your whole rock. You could do your rock different colors if you want. We'll do this one different colors. I'm going to put my brush in there, maybe add a little purple to it. Clean my brush off with my paper towel. I'm going to get a little purple on it. You can mix as many colors as you want onto your rock. And then you're going to set it aside to dry. I made one before so we could do the craft now. Here's my rock. And the best kind of markers to use are Sharpies, because those two are not going to come off. If you use washable markers, those are going to come off when it rains. If you use the Sharpies, they should stay for a while. And you could draw anything you want on them. I'm going to do like a little design around it. Maybe do a heart. And color that in. You could do any kind of design that you want. You could write whatever you want on the rock. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll write the word love on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry in the sun, and then I'm going to put it on the front of my lawn. And if you're passing my house and you see that, you could pick that up and you could put it on someone else's lawn. That's our craft for this week. I thought it was a nice craft to do outside since the weather is beautiful. And I will see you next Thursday at 4 o'clock. Have a great week. Bye.